Jennifer, Juniper, sitting very still. Is she sleeping? I don't think so. Is she breathing? Yes, very low. What you doing, Jennifer, my love? Jennifer, Juniper, hair of golden flies. Jennifer, Juniper, longs for what she likes. Do you like her? Yes, I do, sir. Would you love her? Yes, I would.